Hey, we all want to save some money, right? Especially with a big furniture purchase. But are you willing to buy something that is not brand spanking new? In this video, we're going to be talking about buying a floor model, maybe an as-is piece. And as you watch this video to the end, you'll be better equipped to make that decision. Hey everybody, I'm Mike from Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet. I mentioned it. I know we agree on that. We'd like to save some money, especially with the big furniture purchase. But what does it mean to buy a floor model, as-is furniture? We're going to define what those are and go over the pros and cons of each. For that, we need an expert. Let's welcome in Refund. Good to see you once again.
Same as you, Mike.
All
nice
right.
to see you.
Yeah, okay, so let's talk about it. This is an example of a floor model.
This will be your floor model.
Let's test it out. What is it? Define for us what a floor model is.
So a floor model is going to be something that has been on our showroom for maybe some time, maybe just the floor model that we've been using to be a display for the merchandise that we have stocked in the warehouse. So what you see now is going to be what you get. The floor model, it might have some minor wear and tear to it just from every day, you know, trying it out, guests coming in and out. So it should be pretty worn in.
Gotcha.
So this should be your true to feel, take it home.
So that'd be number one. It's up to the customer and the salesperson to inspect it, right?
Correct.
What are you getting into? Because this is the one you're getting.
This is the one. This is the one. So you want to do your due diligence to look over it and make sure you know it's to your liking.
Gotcha. Well, let's talk pros and cons.
Yeah.
Pro obviously is price. You're going to save some money. I'm just looking at the
Definitely.
tag on this one, and this is an example. So by the time you watch this video, this could be long gone.
Right.
But for this one, it was over $4,100. Now $2,900. So you're saving
Exactly.
$1,200 bucks.
Saving money, absolutely. So you're going to save money. You're going to be able to take it home. There's no wait for it, so you can load up the truck and leave with it today.
Got it. And you mentioned it. What you see is what you get. It's not like it gets home, something out of the box. Wait a minute, that color's a little different.
Right.
So that's a good thing.
That's a great thing.
Cons are?
Cons are going to be, I mean, if there is anything wrong with it, there's nothing that we would be able to do. We can't order anything replacement-wise for it. It's just what you see is really what you get.
Gotcha. Floor model, you get the manufacturer's warranty?
The manufacturer's warranty if it is the floor model and it is something still a stock item for them.
There you go. Floor model, pros and cons for you. Now let's go look at some as-is furniture. All right, here we are outside in what we call the tent. Different stores may call it a clearance center, whatever. It's where you will find, for example, as-is furniture. So define for us, what does that mean?
So as-is furniture is going to be, it might have some minor imperfections to it. We would consider it scratch and dent. If you've ever been to our store, you hear scratch and dent. So you're gonna come to the tent, you might see an item out here that's maybe still on the showroom floor, but you're getting maybe 50% off because it does have some minor imperfections.
Gotcha. Great example is this is a Chesterfield, great looking brown leather. And it gets us into one of the pros. You're saving some money, but tell us about this.
Yes, so you might see pricing slash from what, $35.99 to $17.99. So you're gonna get around 50% off oftentimes out here, but what you see is what you get. So if it does have a scratch to it, there's nothing that we're gonna do to correct it. You're gonna take this piece home with you, you get it today, load up the truck, you're happy.
And you just nailed the pros. Obviously, you're saving a lot of money. You also nailed, this is it. You're not getting something home going, wait a minute, what you see is what you get.
Yep.
And it's up to the customer, again, to reiterate, to inspect an as-is, because one of the cons is no warranty, no refunds.
No warranty, no refunds, it's a final sale deal as well. So when you take it home, it's yours.
You know, Rosanna, as we stroll through this tent area, I mean, the deals are plentiful, at least half
They
off,
are.
if not more. But when your customers come out here, what's your advice to them?
I always advise them to make sure you're just looking over the piece thoroughly. I mean, some imperfections might not be as visible, or it might just be very minute. So just make sure you're looking over it. Might be some hardware that's missing, and you just add some hardware to it, and it's a great piece, you know. So just remember what the piece is for. Make sure it's going to serve its purpose for you, and you should be happy.
There you go, because you're going to save some big bucks.
Quite a bit of money. This is going to be your best savings out here. I'll tell you that right now.
Great job by Rasan there, really laying out the pros and cons of buying a floor model or as-is furniture. And if you want more information, go to our website. We have a blog there. So you click on the Learn tab, then click Blog, and we have more information on buying floor models and as-is furniture. So check that out, and thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.